Worried your growth could hit a ceiling? Many processors cap how much you can process before flogging your account. Here's a simple way to picture it. As your revenue grows, most processors have limits that don't scale with you. Once you cross those thresholds, your risk freezes, restrictions, or even shutdowns, just because your business is doing well. That's why EasyPay Direct is designed for scaling. With recurring billing, you can manage ongoing payments smoothly. Transaction routing spreads transactions across multiple accounts to avoid interruptions. And their unlimited high ticket processing makes sure even your biggest sales go through. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. You will also get mobile payments so you can capture sales anywhere your business takes you. If you want to keep scaling without outgrowing your processor, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Fill out their quick sign up form, and you will have a merchant account built to grow with you. The link's in the description to get started.